So we've already gone through and connected and swapped the dip switches over on the TIC6 unit itself. Now we're going to go through and actually flash the device. To flash the device, we're going to use our TIC6 tool software, which may require you to download off an F2P site or get from an external source. Usually it will come zipped. After you unzip it, it will show up here. MFG Tool 2 EXE is what you want to use. Go ahead and double click it. The program will fire up. This is how you check to make sure that the device is being read properly, HID compliant device. If your TIC6 is not being registered on the computer, if there's an issue with drivers or anything else, that will say no device connected. After you see HID compliant device, go ahead and click start. This is the flashing process. It may take anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes, depending on the TIC6. During this time, you will have a Windows prompt that will try to flash the TIC6 device or format the TIC6 device. That prompt will hold up the flashing process, and you need to press cancel, as shown here. And now we wait for the device to flash. The flashing process in itself is a reformatting of the device, and it will restore every setting on here to factory settings. It'll wipe the database that's on here so you can configure new sends to it and reconfigure it as well as the first step in troubleshooting the TIC6. So right now the flashing is done. You can tell that it's done. It says done and the bars turn green. This next step, you have to press stop and then exit, and then you're going to unplug the device from the back of the computer, remove the power from the TIC6, and this is when you would go in and change the configuration. After that says done and you close that program, you're done with the software part of the flashing, and you're moving on to the rebuilding of the TIC6, and then you can start the configuration steps.